Hello and welcome to this video on the B1 usability package license administration. First thing I want to make clear is that when we are talking about license administration for the usability package, we are not talking about the normal license administration from SAP. SAP have their administration license administration, and some of you might have something called usability package in here for external licenses. This is in no way needed, it's no way required, and it's actually not recommended to have that license because it simply just gives misunderstandings on what it is compared to the real license. The reason the component exists is an old legacy thing that was abandoned years ago from SAP. So if you have anything in here, we have nothing to do with it, and you can just don't even draw it for your license. The real license for usability package is within the add-on itself. So under add-ons, usability package, you will see the license administration. So here we have the license administration, and you will always be able to see what product you have, in this case usability package, what your installation number is, and how long your license is valid. If you have a maintenance license, these will always be the absolute minimum value and the absolute maximum value. So valid from and valid to are only used when you actually have only a demo. And in that case, the demo period will be shown here. What's important to you when using a maintenance license is what max allowed version you are able to run. In my case, I'm allowed to run 5.0. And star meaning that if I have a 5.0.0.1, 5.0.0.2, they are both valid. The next step is we have the main user assignment. The main user assignment is for the usability package itself, and in my case I have a 100 user license, and I have currently assigned 2 licenses. If I want to give a license to another person, like Julie, I can give a license and update. During startup of usability package, the system will work in the way that if it has enough licenses left compared to who starts the add-on, it will auto-assign that user a license as long as there is enough. Once you reach above that, it will give an error message saying you can't assign a license to that specified user, meaning that you have spent all your licenses, and you should either free someone up by taking away licenses from people that is not in the company anymore or don't need a license, or alternative you can buy additional licenses from our web shop. For the component user license is for the B1 productivity package. In there you simply choose what productivity package module you want. In this case, let me choose B1 print delivery, and again I can see how many users I have of that component, how many is currently assigned, and the validity of that. If you are in maintenance, these dates doesn't matter, while if you are in the demo period, the demo time will be seen here. Compared to main user license assignment that auto assigns if you don't have a license already, the B1 print delivery and the rest of the B1 productivity package modules will not use auto assign. That is because while this is easily determined if you want to have it, because if you run the add-on, that means you need a license, while here you can buy them in bulks of smaller than the main user license assignment. So you might only have 10 users for B1 print and delivery while having 20 of usability package, so the system wouldn't be able to identify which of those 20 users are actually the 10 that is set to have the license. So for that reason you need to put in the license manually for those people needing it. Every time you do an update of the license system, you will always need to restart the add-on in order for that to take effect. So I have now assigned my licenses, and I need to either close the entire Business One or stop and start the usability package again, and the new license assignments are being dealt to me. So this is how it works, and remember, it's always the one under usability package. We will never have any indication of data in the old license system, or the SAP license system. So thank you for attending this session, and I hope it made it more clear on how the license works.